Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue on iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max and older iPhones. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix the overheating issue on your iPhone. So guys, solution 1 is force restart your iPhone. So guys, for the force restart, tap on power button, volume up and volume down at the same time for the 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So guys, after force restarting your iPhone, the next solution is disable raise to wake option. So for this, open settings, tap on display and brightness, scroll down, and here you can see guys, here is the raise to wake. If this option is enabled on your iPhone, tap to turn this off. After turning off after turning this off, raise to wake, the next solution is turn off background app refresh. For this, open settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh. So guys, if you have a background app refresh and Wi-Fi and mobile data or Wi-Fi, so simply tap to turn this off. So after turning off background app refresh, the next method is uninstall pending install pending updates. So guys, check for pending updates up on your iPhone. So guys, if you have available so you can see guys, I have 5 apps for update. So tap on update all to update your apps. So after updating your apps to latest version, so guys, the next method is switch from beta to stable iOS version. So guys, if you are using beta on your iPhone, so simply update your iPhone to the stable iOS 16 version. So guys, like this, I am using iOS 16.1 beta 3 on my iPhone. So install stable iOS version. So guys, the last method is reset all settings on your iPhone. For the reset all settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. So reset all your settings on your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone overheating issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.